Teething troubles. Right. Copy 1, that is Tanya. Tanya.
It's not really aggressive what they've done, is there?
No, it's just the simple fact being that they knew that I went to hospital yesterday. They knew that Sean was with fucking
Cooking.
Yeah.
Do me a favour, will you sign that out, Alex? I'm going to reply and sign that out.
Yeah, but end of the day,
That one ain't
we've got
rotating.
it wrong, haven't we? Because we've got horses, not camels.
Hey!
You know what I mean?
This is our masterpiece.
Damn good rug munching.
Hang on, wait.
Religion.
That one's spin it.
It's not shuffle.
Is that it? Do-do-do-do-do. Is it that?
Press it first. That's turn and
May the
shuffle. What's
best
that one
of
for?
my past be the
Turn
fruit
repeat
of
off.
my future, and through me and
This isn't.
Thingy.
This isn't one of those programs that does all that.
And
That's just because of size extreme.
Can animals suck it back in?
Right, they were all Taz's sayings.
Here I have.
Here I have.
No. No, because I
She'd asked me.
said to you, didn't I, that one particular day? No, it will
She asked me what day York's horse sales on for last year. It's last Friday month.
suck, because I always thought they liked water like the cat.
Suck it back in?
Suck water in.
Suck water in. That were reference to last night May having foal. And she thought the foal, if you disturbed the mare, it would suck the foal back in.
Right. This is where it gets scary. Taz from Fryston Road. This is a warning. You're originally from Kent. You're 42. You're a Leo. You have 2 dogs, 2 cats, 3 kids.
See how easy we can say this.
Recently. You seem Dr. Davey. You've also got a friend with second name Davey.
That's my second name.
Is a great thing.
Because we know it.
You have a partner called Sean.
Next to me.
I've got your email on there, you know.
Not a nickname, not really.
I was watching you this afternoon. Interested in women. Single, male. My phone number.
That's my phone number sat outside of an hour.
Could be.
It's about to like,
Wonder it could be.
fucking nickname.
Cliffy.
Cliffy won't have the fucking brains. Let alone.
Ashley apparently knew all the way along.
I don't know who it could be.
I ain't got a clue.
City, New York, home time, Alaska. I am male. Bit longer just Pakistani Punjabi.
This took us 6 hours to achieve. Punjabi. Where's it gone, the masterpiece? You've killed it.
I don't know.
End of day.
Say hello.
Bring it out.
Oh, I want to take it out. All I want it to do is make sure it works. I'm still trying to fucking sort it out. At the end of the day, it works. You have the proof of
In a
pudding.
minute,
Fucking hellfire.
in a minute, we get blatantly accused.
Where'd you go at newsfeed?
Come back tomorrow.
Yeah.
Wasting a lot of video though, you should do that in advance.
This is me pretending that I don't know how to work it.
Newsfeed there, yeah?
Ah, it's gone. It's gone.
You do with a permanent marker just to mark that up as you test
First copy. We are the experts. Success. Success.
it. Suck on any cess.
You will soon be appearing on YouTube. YouTube. Remember the name? Sean Webster.
It could be rude to you.
Charlie Davey. We have a plan for tonight. It's called Next Door Neighbour's Garden. Next Door Neighbour's Garden. We live at Allerton Bywater Terrace. Little terrace there, old pit houses. You know the ones, old pit houses. And tonight's challenge is...
Could be using it. Yeah.
Tonight's challenge is...
Like your car.
Don't rip me off. Going outside my back door. Neighbour's garden. Gotta be quiet. The plan is she's got load of little cows, gnomes, birds, trinkets, loads. It's like a little jungle in there. Plan
Garden pottery.
Plan tonight. Rearrange them. Having a picnic in costume. Without getting caught. Then sit back and wait for the delight in the morning. Booyah! This is ground control. Ground control, that is.
To Major Tom.
To Sean.
Weber 16.
Bigger. We are now. Booyaka Shack. Booyaka Shaka Shaka. What's up? What's up? Checking out. How do you turn it off? Turn it off. That one.